In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple answers in Google Forms, a feature that can greatly enhance your data collection process. Google Forms is a powerful tool for creating surveys, quizzes, and a range of other question-answer interfaces. Yet, sometimes you might want respondents to be able to select more than one option. Let's dive into how you can easily set this up. Let's start by opening a new or existing Google form. You can find Google Forms by heading over to forms.google.com. Once there, if you're starting fresh, click on the big plus button to create a new form. Or alternatively, you can select one of your existing forms from the list displayed below. Now that you're in the form editor, it's time to set up your question. In this step, we're focused on how to create a multiple choice style question, but with the ability for users to select multiple answers. Begin by clicking on the Add Question button found on the side toolbar. This will insert a new question to your form. Once you've added a new question, you'll see the question type drop-down menu on the right-hand side of the question box. Click this drop-down menu to explore your options. You'll want to choose the checkboxes option. This is key as the checkboxes feature is designed specifically to allow for multiple selections, unlike the standard multiple choice, which limits respondents to one answer. After selecting checkboxes, proceed to type in your question. Consider the nature of the question to ensure it suits a multi-answer format to keep your data effective and relevant. For example, instead of asking, "What is your favorite fruit?" try asking, "Which fruits do you like?" This subtle change in phrasing encourages respondents to select all the options that apply. Now enter your possible answers or choices. Type each answer option line by line. You'll notice that Google Forms provides a quick way to add more options through the Add Option button, making it straightforward to list options, even if they are numerous. For any extra flexibility, consider adding the Other option, which allows respondents to fill in an option that's not listed. Just click Add Other at the bottom of your list and enable it. Once your question setup is complete, it's vital to review your form. Use the preview mode to see exactly what respondents will experience. Click the eyeball icon near the top right to enter this mode. This step ensures that everything works smoothly before you start collecting responses. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully configured a Google Form question to accept multiple answers, allowing for richer and more nuanced response data. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on using Google tools to their fullest potential. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!